This character has not been unlocked yet. Leave for work? But your job is taking care of me. Dogs are not allowed inside the store. Thank you. His name is the last thing you touch. The problem with some people is that they are breathing. These almond cookies are very aggressive. Divorced men after 40 on dating apps. We got a new kitten, but I think our cat got a new kitten. Detective Mittens investigates who could have knocked the TV over. I still live with my parents. In this economy, I don't blame bro. The perfect eye mask doesn't exist. Every cat owner will understand this situation. This is how Lil kids cough. When you ask her what's wrong and she says nothing, but then she spends the rest of the day looking at you like, I never realized they measure blood pressure from cats. And it's also like the human measuring device, but tiny. My 1.5-year-old son and 14-year-old cat had a moment this morning. I wish I were ugly just for one day, because it's hard to be ugly every day. Hey, I can't come in today. Boss, why? I'm having chest problems. Boss, okay, get better soon. Thanks. Hello there. If you see this meme, leave heart in comments.